Students, in this video I will explain how to use this application, Acadflix application. So what you need to do is, after downloading the application, you have to register with your phone number, and then you have to log in with the same phone number which you have registered. So after entering your phone number, you will get an OTP. So once you get an OTP, you have to enter that OTP here, right? So after entering the OTP, you will be entering into the class, into the application. So once you are into the application, you will find lots of things. So feel free to explore the application. So but if you want to join the live classes, what you need to do is, you need to go to the batches in the bottom. Okay, in the batches you will not see any batches because you have downloaded the application, but we will add you to the batch. Once you download the application, we will receive a request from you. So what you need to do is, you will need to click on the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, you have to enter the batch code, and the batch code will be NNCS 2606. That will be the batch code. Once you enter the batch code, we will receive the request for the batch request. Then we will accept your request to be added into the batch. Once you are added into the batch, you will find this batch here. Okay, NT-NET Computer Science. This will be visible in your application under the section of batches. Okay, so under the section of batches, you will find this particular batch. Then you will go inside this batch. Once there is a class, the timing of the class will be communicated with you. For example, we have the classes on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, which is on from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. and Monday to Friday we have the classes from 8 to 9 p.m. So once you log in into the application, you will get a button of join now. Okay, once you get the button of join now, you will click on that button and you will be into the class, so you can attend the live classes. So there you can find the announcements and all the other things. But the main important thing here is, if let us say you are not added into the batch and you want to watch some videos already, which we have uploaded the videos. So all the YouTube videos you will find in the application. What you will have to do is, you have to go to the study material section. Okay, in the study material section you will find the videos. In the videos section, you have to go to the crash course. In this crash course, you will find all the videos which we have taken live classes on the YouTube channel. So I have taken almost 40 classes on the YouTube channel in the last 1 month for the crash course of computer science, and all the videos are freely available. You can watch all these videos for free. So we will upload some study material in the form of PDF form. For example, we will upload lots of tests, lots of notes, books. So we will upload the study material also very soon. So this study material can be accessed directly from here. You will find all these videos here, so you can click on view all. After you click on the view all, you will be in the study material section. So click on videos and then you will reach the same thing. So there are lots of videos in the application, so you can watch freely and you can enjoy the videos and prepare from these videos, right? So how to watch the recordings of the live classes, which is already happened. So go to the batches, then go to the NT-NET Computer Science batch, then go to the live class section on the top of the page. So here you will find the live class section. In the live classes section, you will find all the videos, all the recordings which we have taken till now. ओके आज तक हमने जो भी हमने क्लासेस ली हैं, उन सब की वीडियोस यहाँ पर आपको दिखाई देगी इन द लाइव क्लासेस सेक्शन. सो यू कैन वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑफ द लाइव क्लासेस विच यू हैव मिस्ड. So feel free to see all these sections. In the announcement, you will see the latest announcements and tests. We will upload some test series. You will be able to give online test in this section. In the video section, you will find all the videos we have uploaded. In the study material section, you will find the same thing which we have seen, right? So here you will find the PPTs and other things. So whatever we will upload under this batch, you will find in this particular batch, right? So very soon we are starting the complete course for NT and NET, and you will find that particular course here, okay, which you can attend.